terms of risk-adjusted value, I think, Cheryl mentioned about quantifying or making it financially comparable, which is a good baseline for finance. Because at the end of the day, we should realize that we're just don't buying tools. We're buying risk reduction. Coming from insurance background, it's very important that we have this mindset of risk reduction. So rather than, looking at this just another expense, it's more of how will you reduce your risk moving forward. So for me, I look for investment that drastically reduce the probability of an event coming in. Probably it's my innate coming from my insurance background. So, but more importantly, reducing the impact to the organization. And on the last point, on the resilience baseline, same with finance, we typically set a threshold, certain threshold in terms of liquidity, in terms of capital, in terms of cyber resilience. We also need to set as an organization, CFO needs to champion this because otherwise, we'll just block every investment that will be put in. Right now, cyber resilience is part of the housekeeping or hygiene requirements of an organization. Multi-factor authentication, patching, backups. Those are very, we ring fence this within our budget. And everything above that minimum or baseline, we measure it based on ROI. So ultimately, as CFO, I don't ask how much will this cost. But
Mhm.
if I don't spend this money, am I comfortable holding the impact